the Mi Max 3 right in front of our eyes. Okay, it's a white box with a gold embossed letters writing Mi Max 3 on the side, also said Mi Max 3. We have the black variant here, 4 gig, 64 gig, Snapdragon 636, dual camera, amazing phone. Okay, let's open the box. Okay, bold letters saying Mi Max 3. So 6.9-inch screen, dual camera, and a 5,500 milliampere hour of battery. Wow. Okay, so here's the dual camera. Okay, both are Samsung sensors. Okay, here's the fingerprint scanner and the Mi logo. Down there, USB Type-C. Then we have the loudspeaker and as well as the mic in. Here's the SIM card tray. On top we have the infrared, of course, noise cancellation mic and the 3.5 audio jack. Okay, and on the other side we have the power button and the volume rocker. So here's the face of the Mi Max 3. So let's check what's inside the box before we peel off the film. Okay, the SIM ejector tray. Always believe something good is about to happen. The motto of Xiaomi. Here's some of the manuals inserted inside, all written in Chinese. Okay, quick charge trick charger. Finally, not bad. Okay, then we have here the Type-C cable to wrap up everything inside the box. Okay, so it's about time for us to peel this thing off. Here we go. So good. Okay, let's turn this thing on. Okay, here we go. Okay, here's the MIUI 9.6. Let's check the galleries. Nothing here. Okay, let's check the score in Antutu. 120,000 for the Mi Max 3. It's pretty fluid. Okay, let's check the specs of this phone, and here we go. Okay, Octa core, 4 gig, 64 gig. Okay, let's check the kernel, CIT engineering mode. Okay, scroll all the way down. You can see it's S5K sensor. Okay, 3 sensors are all from Samsung. Okay, let's check the manual mode of this phone. So looking at the portrait, here we go. Okay, so 32 seconds and ISO of 3200. This is pretty not bad. Okay, so let's check the settings of the video, and here we go. You can see 4K recording, which is pretty good for this unit. Okay, so there's also image stabilization, EIS, for the video, which I doubt there's a OIS. Okay, here's the dialer pad, and really good. Okay, so that wraps up the Mi Max 3. So let's pull this thing off from the back, which is quite irritating to look at. Here, looks better without that film. Look at it. So slim, so big, so sexy on my hand. Okay,